guys, welcome back to Stop and Watch. Thanks for stopping on by. Today I'm actually going to show you how to adjust the chronograph dial on these Victorinox watches. So it can be a little bit difficult, and every now and again these dials will be in the wrong position. So this will not be at the 12 o'clock position, it will be off to the side. The minute hand, or I should say the second hand, will be off. So there's some videos out there how to do it, but I'm just going to leave you mine because the ones I found doesn't even have any talking in it. So to keep this short and sweet, I'm going to show you how to do the adjustment. In order to use the chronograph, we're going to press button A, and you'll see that this large second hand will start moving around. This is for the chrono. You press button A again to stop, and then you press button B, which is this one, to reset it, and it'll go all the way back around back to the position. So that's in the correct position, but I'm going to show you how to adjust it because even that large second hand sometimes is off. So the first thing you want to do, this flush position is called position 0. You're going to pull it out once. Now when you pull it out once, that's to adjust the date. So we're not worried about that right now. You pull it to the second position, so you pull it out one more time. Now you can adjust the chrono. So you press and hold button A and button B, and you wait for 2 seconds, and then it's in the position where you can adjust the chrono. So 1, 2, and once it does that spin, now you're in a position where you can change it. So the first position that you change with button A is going to be that large second hand. So every press accounts for a second. So to make it faster, you can press and hold it, and it will spin all the way around. And what you're going to do is you're going to put it to the 12 o'clock position. This is how you correct it. Then you press button B, and that's going to move you to the next hand to adjust. So when you start pressing A, it's going to start adjusting this one at the bottom here, and we're going to want to get that to the 12 o'clock position. Once again, you can press and hold it, and it will do a full spin just to make it quicker. And we want it on the 12 o'clock position too. You press button B to set that. Now we're on the minute hand. For that was the hour hand, this is the 30-minute hand. So now when we press that, that starts to adjust. Press and hold it. Change that back to the 12 o'clock position. One more, that looks right. Press button B again. And now all of them are set correctly. So now you can push this crown back in, all the way back to position 0. And now when you do the chrono and press A, and it starts ticking, everything is already in the correct position. This little hand here on the right, that's the second hand anyway. But that's just the regular second hand for the regular clock. The large hand is the one for the chronograph specifically. So press A, stop it. Press B to reset it. Everything is where it should be at the 12 o'clock position. And that hand will always tick just because it's based off of the second hand anyway. Anyway, if this helped you out, this is just a quick fix video. Leave me a like down below. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Subscribe to the channel because it helps me to grow. And once again, guys, thanks for stopping on by. Peace.